Hello students, how are you today? I hope you all are fine and fit. So let us study towards another. Let us study to another property of the matters and non-matters, that is the reaction with the acids. So this we will study with the help of an activity. In this activity, we will take iron nails and we will dip them in dilute HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. Now after this, we will invert another test tube over the mouth of the first test tube. And what we will observe? We will observe certain bubbles. Bubbles means evolution of a gas. Now, in order to test the gas evolved during the activity, we will bring a burning splinter near the mouth of the inverted test tube. What we will observe? We will observe the popping sound. We will observe that the hydrogen gas evolving out of the test tube burns with a popping sound. Now, this activity we can repeat with certain another matters. As you can see in the reactions, we can repeat this activity taking iron and zinc. In both the cases, if we will react the matter with any acid like HCl or H2SO4, what we will observe, there is a formation of a metal salt along with the hydrogen gas. Like see the equation, iron reacts with HCl gas, HCl and forms iron chloride and hydrogen. In another reaction also, zinc granules are reacting with sulfuric acid, evolving out hydrogen gas and forming zinc sulfate. This shows that most of the matters react with dilute acids and liberate hydrogen gas and forms metal salts. But there are certain matters which do not react or react differently with the acids. Let us see another slide. Here, just see the flow chart. Copper and lead, when reacted with dilute HCl, they show no reaction. There is no reaction between copper and dilute HCl, lead and dilute HCl. But if both these matters are reacted with sulfuric acid or nitric acid, they react with it, but differently. Different in what manner? That they do not liberate hydrogen gas. Similarly, if we see the reaction of gold and platinum with dilute acids, there is no reaction. Now just see the case of non-matters. Non-matters show no reaction with the acids. But there are few non-matters like sulfur and phosphorus. S is sulfur and P is phosphorus. When these react with hot concentrated sulfuric acid or nitric acid, they react with it, but they do not liberate hydrogen gas. Now see the reaction with the alkalis. Alkalis, as you already know, soluble bases are called as alkalis. Now if we see the case of matters, most of the matters do not react with alkalis. But aluminium and zinc, however, react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH. And potassium hydroxide is KOH. They react with it and form the salts, and again they liberate hydrogen gas. Hope you have understood this. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and pass it on so we can create more like this. Thanks all of you. Thank you for watching the video.